Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make green chili powder. First, select fresh green chilies, ensuring they are firm and vibrant. Wash them thoroughly under cool running water to remove any dirt or debris. Then, roast the chilies on a grill or under a broiler until their skins are blistered and slightly charred. This step adds a smoky depth of flavor to your powder. After roasting, carefully peel the blistered skin from each chili. Next, remove the stems and deseed them. This step is crucial for controlling the final heat level of your powder. Once peeled and deseeded, chop the chilies into small, uniform pieces. Smaller pieces will dry more evenly and quickly, which is essential for preventing mold and ensuring a consistent product. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're cooking up spicy dishes. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold all day. Check the description below for the link to grab yours and find other exclusive deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now it's time to dry your chili pieces completely. You can use a food dehydrator set to a low temperature, or a conventional oven on its lowest setting with the door slightly ajar. Ensure the chilies are brittle and snap easily when bent, indicating they are fully dry. Finally, grind the dried chili pieces into a fine powder using a spice grinder or a clean coffee grinder. Store in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.